one's done. Now I can go to the windows. I have two little ones, which is these are little ovals, and then one large one on the top. So the one on top goes right about here. And then my little ones go next to the door. So before I do my window boxes, I'm going to go ahead and paint. Yes, you could have painted before also. Whatever you want to do is totally fine. I'm not going to come knocking on your door and say you can't do it that way. Just can't do it. So like we did before, I'm going to take some water and some of the purple and make my little paint. So this is like what we did on the egg earlier. And I'm going to paint down here. So basically less water and more paint, the thicker it is. This doesn't have to be super thick because we are going to be putting that disco dust on top. Again, use the disco dust at your own risk. Okay, disco. And then go to the next one. You don't want to do all the painting and then come back because you need this to be wet. So this is probably where you're saying that would have been easier before you put the doors on. Yeah, would have been. So you can do it that way on yours. See where I got paint there? If I take the water brush and then come back, I can clean that off. Okay. Disco, disco. Again, this is the hologram purple, so it has a lot of different colors in it. It's really pretty. Super pretty. So I don't want to do the chimney, I just want to do the roof line. And the cool thing too, if you get some of this disco on the other parts, it's not going to stick, so you can wipe it off. It's only going to stick to the parts that are wet. Ta-da! There we go. On the pink part, I can come back with a little bit of the pink and just kind of dust in here. And as I'm doing that, it also brushes off some of the disco that shouldn't be in those areas. Then I'm going to come back and take some blue very lightly and go over the door and the windows. This is why you need lightly so that doesn't happen. I'm going to take a little extra pink and put it over that to help hide it. Okay, onto yellow for the window boxes. These, I want to keep these a little bit more on the thick side since they are supposed to be boxes. And take this, I need three. 1, 2, and 3. So I'll take a little water, put it right at the base of this one and this one, place it on top like that, and then take my little embosser right over the middle and just press down and wiggle it a little bit, and it leaves a design. Since that goes down there, I usually like to do it on there, but since it's not flat there, I think I'm going to have to do them here and then put them on. Just be careful that I don't. See, that's more even now. I just don't want to press on it too much and get rid of my design.